I'm casting a copper river that will go in between two slabs of walnut wood. In the past, I've poured directly into the wood, but that scorches the live edges. I wanted to try a different method. The casting actually came out pretty close to the shape of the wood. I used a deep pour resin from Easy Pour Epoxy to fill in that hairline gap between the copper and the live edge. The top of the copper had a sand texture from the casting clay, so I milled it flat on the router CNC with carbide blades. I started sanding with 80 grit on a random orbit sander and then ended with 400 before applying the finish. I wiped off the excess and then started wet sanding the copper. Once I made it up to 5000 grit, I moved on to polishing with buffing compounds. And I have to give a shout out to the metal workers because polishing out copper took a lot longer than polishing out epoxy. Although not perfect, the experiment did seem to work and is something I can improve on. By not having the wood burn away during the pour, the outline between the copper and the walnut is much cleaner.